Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Woman Claims She's a Cop, but Her Behavior Says Otherwise.
On September 20th, 2025, officers responded to a bar after reports of a woman refusing to leave.
Elgin Police, go ahead and open the door. We can talk through here.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What's going on in there?
Nothing. Freshening up.
Just freshening up? Okay, I'm gonna need you to hurry up because we gotta get out of here. What's your name? I just need your date of birth as well.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Well, I just need that. I'm working on campus. I work on campus. Campus where? Okay. Well, we still need to continue our conversation. Yes. Okay, I have to do that for the donation. Well, we're finishing this right now. What's going on?
I need your information.
Yes.
Okay, I need your information though, because you can't come back here. And he told us that you've been trying to come back here, okay? And he said,
I didn't do anything wrong. Though.
I understand, but he wants you barred.
But if it's the wrong time,
listen, he wants you barred, so I do need your information, okay?
That it's the wrong timing. That's pretty much it.
Okay, so what's your date of birth?
My date of birth is like.
Hold on, I'm still talking to you. You can look at it here.
I know, guys, if it's a joke, right, because I'm a new officer, it's not funny, like...
No.
No, what?
It's not a joke, I'm telling you what it is.
What do you mean telling me what it is? That's not American.
So we're taking your information because you're getting barred paperwork, okay?
But I didn't do nothing to get barred from here.
If a person who owns a business says that they don't want you there anymore, that's what it is.
And he just said that when y'all got here.
That's fine. Did you want to take a seat while we're talking?
No, I don't. Excuse me.
I don't want to name a deal.
Real quick. I'll give you my badge number. You can look it up. But I'm in out here too. I don't know what job to take. I'm in college, so that's what I'm saying. I'm doing donations. I have a donation box, and I just went in there to use the restroom. He said it was okay and that to look in Lost the Town. I said, "Did you guys have any extra jackets or anything at Lost the Town?" He said, "Go look over there." That's what I did. Then I went to the restroom, and you guys came and knocked on the door, and that's it. He said I had to leave. Y'all walked me out, and I was right here. I didn't do anything wrong.
So you're giving me the wrong name.
I'm a cultural principal. That's what I'm saying. That's my name.
Okay, what's your actual first name?
Yeah, but I want to know if they gonna really press the issue on this, her presenting herself as an officer. Maybe they might just overlook that, because we could tell she mentally ain't. She got a couple screws loose. We could tell that, but I want to see, are they really gonna push the issue on this I'm an officer thing?
My name is Betty. That's why is my lawyer out here.
Is that going to be your real name?
What do you mean?
Because the first name that you gave me isn't giving me.
Seriously.
Well, the first name that you gave me is not you. Okay, and now you're telling me Betty?
Okay, but you don't know me, so please just call my family. And this is the Wayne.
I don't know you, so I need your actual name.
You don't know me. That's
you have an ID on you?
I'm an officer. I have a lieutenant in Chicago.
You have an ID on you, any form of identification, a debit card or something.
I don't need to carry an ID.
Okay, so your first name's Betty. What's your last name?
Officer, can you get her, please, out of my face? Because
what's your last
I'm an officer myself, but I'm still in school. And she's not listening. He said that I had to leave, and he didn't tell me that person. He just called. I left out, and that's it.
So you're going to talk to me. What's your last name?
But she's talking disrespectfully.
Because you need to provide me.
She's disrespecting me, but she's
that's fine. You can talk to her.
Wait, what's your real name?
Call my nieces at VOA. They'll say my name. Because there's been some jealousy stuff going on between me.
You're saying a lot of things that aren't making sense.
How old are you two?
That doesn't matter. We need to know your information.
But I didn't do anything wrong, so if it's your first case, I didn't do anything.
All you're going to get is a paper saying you can't come back here, and you leave and we leave. That's it. That's all we need. But you're making it a bigger deal than it has to be. So you need to give me your name, okay? You're making it a bigger deal than it is. You need to give me your name and your birthday, and that's it. You gave me something that didn't come back to anybody. How do you spell your last name?
What?
How do you spell your last name?
My last name Ladd, but it's Wings though. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Y'all interfering on the lawsuit that I have going on out here.
So your middle initial is...
And it's not through no policing or nothing where anybody else can get in trouble. It's for my personal, my personal pain.
501 and 2, I have another name.
I'm in the program of BOA where they help people with housing.
Can we try last name last?
It's yeah. Look how she looking at me.
Sorry?
I need to know why it's always like some people that don't know me, right? If I tell you my career, why wouldn't you believe me?
It's just our line of work. We don't believe everybody the first thing they say. So.
I mean, that's not the line of work. The line of work is to believe what they say.
Let her figure this out first, and then we're gonna try to get you out.
I just say Ban Betty on that, and I won't never go up in. Right.
It's all right. She's the officer in charge, so you let her figure it out.
You don't have anything to prove who you are.
I mean,
how can you make something so simple and turn it into a bigger deal? Because the officer seems like they don't care about her saying that she's an officer or whatever. But in general, a trespass, they just gonna write the little trespass joint, and that's it. That's cool. But she's going down the route of, going to jail, man. Good citizen. I'm gonna touch on that when I get done with this video, and all right.
Are you just walking around at night with any
because my parents have my birth certificate and all my other stuff. What
about a phone?
I have to get that tomorrow.
Do you have a phone number?
I be smart to get my ID. I'm in my driver's license. So I'll be able to show it tomorrow. I don't have no phone. I have no phone number.
How do you survive?
I survived by completing my career goals. I have diplomas and the attitude degrees. So I mean, it's really like anxiousness, and I'm kind of nervous. Y'all can't lie.
Come on, let's get to the action, man. What's going
I
on?
appreciate you giving me... Okay, I'm going to get it in a second now, okay? But I appreciate you telling me everything, all right? You will be under arrest. You do have for
I don't have no
out of Cook County. Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist.
Stop.
Don't resist.
Excuse me. Anybody out there? I'm not resisting.
Not resist, though. Not resist. Not resist.
She's honest, baby. I'm sorry. She has control of semester got a mental illness, and she want my apartment. And she going to figure that, but you know
we're gonna figure that out later. We're gonna figure it out later, okay? I don't know who this, but
he works for the area police.
Now she's not here right now. You're making concerns speaking to these two young ladies.
I'm saying I'm a CI. I'm a civil investigator. Y'all not talking about investigator? Yes.
Which department?
The Chicago Police Department. District 1.
District 1?
Yes.
Where's District 1 at?
Where is it?
Where is it?
It's in Chicago. You all know where the hell I picked my paycheck up at.
I'm asking for District
35 South Michigan Avenue.
Michigan Avenue?
Yes, Michigan Avenue.
Okay, let go of your bag.
You're PSing?
I'm not PSing.
Because District 1 is downtown. Downtown.
You need to let go.
Downtown.
Betty, let go. I'll put it in there. I'll put it in there.
Like, I mean, it's for no reason, man.
You have a
And let
warrant.
me get my thing. I don't got no
So
warrant.
it'll come with you.
No, I don't. I just solved that. I just handled that. Now, if you keep looking it up, it's going to keep popping up.
It says that you do, so we're going to have to let it go. Let it go.
Hey, can you call my and tell him that this for no reason?
I mean, if it's not hers, we'll just leave it here.
I'm saying, though, like, could you let me
Okay, come on over. I got to search you over here, okay?
You don't have to search Marisol and whatever her name is, I'm a civil investigator, criminal investigator at that, but I think I'm my blue shirt. So, yeah, you think I'm lying? Hold on.
I have to search you. I have to search you.
That's a part of my
have to
culture.
take that off anyway.
It's a part of my culture. I'm Chinese.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, just move on. So, what do y'all want? It's Maryland. That's my bag.
Yeah. Just switch roles real quick.
Can you call your lieutenant?
Right now, at this point in time, she's
We'll talk to somebody at the station.
She's in charge right now.
Okay.
So anything you gotta talk to her, you gotta talk to her about that. She's in charge.
You not understanding she don't gotta push my wrist on?
This is just
Help! C3. No reason. Got to snatch my shit out because I'm a cultural person. The 3 are all racist. Yeah, I'm still suing with Zazwan and Sandra and Heather Burns are involved. All right.
Oh wow.
Let me go.
Dump her. Dump her on the ground.
Give me a hug and stay. Man, let it go. Yeah. You got it? Yeah. Get shower wet. This program sitting there.
Put your leg in there. Oh, she got me.
Ooh.
You're getting a felony for that.
I was using the bathroom.
You're getting a felony for that.
Lame.
You're getting a
She do
felony
kick
for
her in the
that.
face?
Now I ran like that.
Oh. So is this?
It was in there, it lost and found. She took it and claimed it was hers. I doubt it is. If you want me to go throw it in the garbage can, I can. But
Yeah.
as long as you don't find any drugs in there,
It's good. You can throw it away.
thank you.
Ugh.
You good?
Yeah. How does my face look? Fine.
Still great. No.
Thanks.
The woman was trespassed from the bar and charged with aggravated battery on a law enforcement and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts in.
Yeah, man, this is yeah, they didn't really push the issue, you know, but yeah, she is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, boy.